Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm trying out my Dominique Cosmetics Creamy Fill and Define Lip Liner that I got in my March 2021 Boxy Luxe box. I'm very happy with that box. I'm looking here at all of the products that I got. And so if you have not seen my unboxing of that, I'll have that video linked in the description down below so that you can see all of the products that I got. But I was really happy to get a nude shade of lip liner because I love nude lip liners. I wear one every single day and I feel like it's something that I only kind of recently started wearing, but it has just made my lips look so much better and just made me feel so much better about my lips as well, because I definitely have small lips and I love that big pouty lips trend, but I'm not gonna go get lip fillers. I mean, never say never, but I definitely don't see that happening anytime soon for me. So I have found that I can give the illusion of fuller lips with a nude lip liner. And I also really love the brand Dominique Cosmetics. So when I get this brand in Boxycharm, I'm always excited. So I got this in the shade Crush, and I was looking this up online and I saw that it comes in 4 different nude shades to suit a variety of different lip colors and skin tones. But so this also retails for $18, which to me is kind of expensive. I typically tend to feel like you don't have to spend a lot of money on a lip liner, but we're gonna see today if this one is worth the money. I do like that it's twist up and it has a teardrop shape, which is great for being precise to line the lips, but then also fill in your lips with this, because it is called the Fill and Define lip liner, so you're supposed to use it all over your lips, I mean, if you want to. So I'm gonna try it out that way today. But I also love that it's infused with clean, good for you ingredients like vitamin E to protect from free radicals, boost circulation, smooth fine lines, and keep lips pillowy soft. It's supposed to be long lasting and have a demi matte finish. I do have dry lips, so we'll see how this really is on chapped lips. But before I apply it to my lips, I'm gonna just do a little swatch. Whoa, that's actually very creamy and pigmented. And I really like this nude shade. But so here's that swatch that actually really impressed me. So let's go ahead and apply it to my lips, and I'll show you how I like to overline my lips as well. But so for my bottom lip, since my bottom lip is bigger than my top lip, I'm just going to line exactly on my outer lip line. I love that this just glides right on. It doesn't tug at all. I definitely have had that happen with other lip liners where they just don't glide on and you really have to drag it across. But this one is very creamy, easy to apply. And then for my top lip, basically I'm just going right above the natural lip line. So there's no skin that I am coloring in underneath, but just going right on top and touching my natural lip line, so you'll see. But then as I get to the corner, the top of my lip, I go right onto the lip line because that's what makes it look a bit more natural. And in my experience, I have only really overlined my lips like this when I'm using a nude lip pencil, preferably one that's similar to my natural lip color, because then if I put a lip gloss or lipstick on top of my lips, if that fades, I don't want it to be obvious that I have slightly overlined my top lip. So then when it fades, it's it looks still like your natural lip when you're wearing a nude lip liner underneath, if that makes sense. But I'm loving this as a lip liner. Now I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my lips. Oh, it's such a beautiful shade, like the perfect nude, easy to wear, very flattering. So I did say that my lips are dry, and that's just what I kept noticing as I was applying this. Like, it's kind of hard to apply on top of my chapped lips, and it doesn't really necessarily cling to the dry patches on my lips, but it does not hydrate them. My lips are feeling even more dry now, actually. So if I am using this to fill in my lips, I would definitely want to make sure to put on like a lip balm or something, because it's really not hydrating in my opinion. But like on my top lip, where I don't have any chapped areas, it looks very smooth, feels comfortable, and I really do just love this color. I feel like I'm bad at choosing the right shade nude lip products for myself. So when I get them sent to me in my Boxycharm box, and then I try them on and they're a great shade, I'm like, this is perfect, worked out great, because I probably would not have picked up this shade for myself because I just would have thought that it wouldn't look good on me. But then I'm always so happy when I'm pleasantly surprised by how a shade looks. And I'm curious if there's any transfer. Oh, love that, no transfer. So it is going to be nice and long lasting, which I love. It doesn't feel comfortable for me right now because it just feels so dry on my chapped lips, just like even more dry than they were before I applied it. So that's a bummer to me, and something that makes me feel like you don't need to spend $18 to get this same lip liner type of look and effect. But since I have it, I am very happy with it. I'm just so glad I got it for such a good deal in my Boxy Luxe box. But it's a great color, a great formula, quick and easy to apply. I would love to know in the comments down below what your favorite lip liners are. Since I am really into lip liners right now and getting more into them, I'd love to get some recommendations on which ones I should pick up. And of course, I also want to know your thoughts on this Dominique Cosmetics lip liner if you have tried it as well. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.